Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Explain Maths, where I make learning math easy and fun. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our growing community. Let's dive into today's session. So in today's session, I will be discussing the application of compound interest, and I will be solving some of the questions which was based on the application of compound interest formulas. Okay, so let's begin the session. So what are the applications of compound interest in real life? Where we are going to use it? So first of all, saving accounts. The bank pay compound interest on our saving account. So whenever you go to fix some deposit, the interest earned is added to the principal periodically because it works on the concept of compound interest. Now next is investment. When you invest your money in mutual funds, stocks and bonds, there also compound interest is getting used. In the National Pension Scheme, this also uses the concept of compound interest to grow retirement savings. And you know that for the retirement age, these pensions schemes are very much useful. Insurance policies. Some insurance products, such as whole life insurance, they also use compound interest to accumulate the policy's cash value. And loan repayment. Banks use compound interest to calculate the amount of interest you owe on loans, such as home loan, student loan, or car loan. Now, application of compound interest formulas. So there are some situations where we can use the formula of calculation of amount in compound interest. So like increase or decrease in population, growth of bacteria if the rate of growth is known, the value of an item if its price increases or decreases in the intermediate year. So in all these cases, we can use the compound interest formula. So if the present population of a place is P and it increases at the rate of R% per annum, then if you have to calculate the population after n years, so the formula we can use as P times 1 plus R by 100 whole n. And if the present population is decreases at the rate of R% per annum, then the formula will be population after n years will be P times 1 minus R by 100 whole n. If the present value of a machine is P and depreciates at the rate of R% per annum, now when the machine will depreciate, suppose you have used that machine for few years, then obviously you will not get the cost of original cost, right? When you are going to sell it, you will not get the original cost. So there, in that cases, the value of the machine will depreciate. And to find that amount, it will be P times 1 minus R by 100 whole n. Now we will do some try these questions from given in page 90 of your NCERT textbook. So the first question is, a machinery worth 10,500 rupees depreciated by 5%. Find its value after 1 year. So here what and all values are given. Present value is given, then rate of depreciation is given, and you have to find the value after 1 year. So time is given as 1 year. So let's write the formula first. So value after 1 year will be P times 1 plus 1 minus R by 100 whole n. Now I'm going to substitute the values over here. So here if you can see, your present value is given as 10,500, isn't it? And your rate is 5%. So 1 minus 5 by 100, and time is given as 1 year. So no need to write 1. Now I'm going to reduce it. So 5 times 1, 5 times 20. So now it became 10,500. Okay, and if I'm going to take the LCM of it, so my LCM is 20, so it will become 20 minus 1. So I'm going to get it as 10,500 into 19 by 20, and I'm going to reduce it further. So 2 table, if I'm going to use, it will be 525. So my final value is 525 multiplied by 19. So I will be getting the value after 1 year will be 9,975 rupees. So you can see that the value of the machine is reduced. Initially it was 10,500 and after 1 year it became 9,975, right? So now try these page 90. There is another question. Find the population of a city after 2 years, which is at present 12 lakh, if the rate of increase is 4%. So the information which is given here is present population is 12 lakh, rate of increase is 4%, time is 2 years. So the formula which I am going to use is P times 1 plus R by 100 whole n. And now I'm going to substitute the values. So here my present population is given as 12 lakhs and my rate of interest is 4% and time is given as 2 years, right? Now I'm going to reduce it 4 times 1, 4 times 25, and if I'm going to take LCM, it will become 26 by 25 whole square. So that I am writing as 26 by 25 into 26 by 25. Now I am going to reduce it. So to reduce it, what I am going to do, 12 lakhs, I am going to split it as 12 into 1 lakh. Okay, because I know that it will make my calculation a little easier. Okay, I can easily reduce with 25. So 25 times 1 and this will give me 25 times 4000. And again 25 times 1 and this will be 25 times 160. So I will get it as 12 into 160 into 26 into 26, and if I multiply everything I will be getting 12,97,920. Clear? So now if you're finding my explanation helpful so far, so give this video a thumbs up. It really helps more learners like you to discover this content. Okay, so if you are new and you did not subscribe my channel, if you want to get more and more video updates like this, so please hit the subscribe button and like my channel. Please share with your friends also. So now I am going to do exercise 7.3, question number 1. The population of a place increased to 54,000 in 2003 at a rate of 5% per annum, and you have to find the population in 2001. So here the information given as, we don't know the population in the year 2001, but I know the population after 2 years. So here in this case what I will do, I will consider my current population be X, rate of increase is 5% per annum, and population in the year 2003 is given as 54,000. And time is 2 years, because 2001 to 2003 if you calculate, the time is going to be 2 years. So the formula which I am going to use is population in the year 2003, it is already given. So this will be equal to population in 2001 times 1 plus r by 100 whole n. Now I am going to substitute all the values. So here it is given as 54,000 equal to population in 2001 I have assumed as x. Then 1 plus my rate is 5 by 100 whole square. And if I reduce it, 5 times 1, 5 times 20. So further I will get 54,000 equal to x into, now if I take LCM, it will become 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. Now to get the value of x, I am going to transpose everything to the left hand side. So it will become 54,000 into 20 into 20 divided by 21 into 21. And I can use here 3 times 7 is 21, and from here I can write 3 times 18,000 and 3 times 7 again, 3 times 6,000, and if I multiply I am going to get it as 2400 divided by 49, and if I divide it, I am going to get my answer as 48,979.59 and so on. So this I can write as, it is approx to 48,980. So my population in the year 2001 is 48,980, which increased to 54,000 in 2003 at the rate of 5% per annum. Now this is the another part of the question number 1. Here you have to find the population in the year 2005. So population in the year 2003 is 54,000. I will consider this as my current population. Rate of increase is again 5% per annum. Time will be 2 years, because 2003 to 2005 time will be 2 years. And the formula which I am going to use is population in the year 2005 will be equal to population in the year 2003 times 1 plus r by 100 whole n. Now I'm going to substitute all the values. So the population in 2003 is given as 54,000 and 1 plus 5 by 100 whole 2. Now 5 times 1, 5 times 20. And if I take the LCM and all, I am going to get it as 21 by 20 whole square, which I am writing as 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. Now both the zeros I can eliminate. Now 2 times I can write it here as 270. Again from here 2 times 135. So I have getting here 135 into 21 into 21. And if I multiply everything, I will be getting 59,535. So the population in the year 2005 will be 59,535. Now question number 2. In a laboratory, the count of a bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours if the count was initially 5,06,000. So here present count is given, rate of increase is given, time is given 2 hours. Okay, so the formula will be P times 1 plus R by 100 whole n, and now I'm going to substitute all the values. So here it will be, my present count is 5,06,000, then 1 plus 2.5 by 100 whole 2. Now here I'm going to multiply by 10 such that my decimal point I can remove. So it will become 5,06,000 1 plus 25 by 1000 whole square, and 25 times 1, 25 times 40. So it will become 5,06,000 and then if I take LCM it will become 41 by 40 into 41 by 40, and I'm going to reduce it both the zeros, and 4 table 4 times 1, and here I can take it as 1265, and this will become 1265 into 41 into 41 divided by 4, and if I multiply everything I will get 2126465 divided by 4, and my final value will be 5,31,616.25. Now moving to the another question. Question number 3. A scooter was bought at 42,000 rupees. Its value depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. Find its value after 1 year. Okay, so here what and all information is given. It is given that initially the scooter was bought for 42,000 and there is a depreciation at the rate of 8% per annum. Time is 1 year. So the value after 1 year will be P times 1 minus R by 100 whole n. Now I'm going to substitute the values here. So my P is 42,000, then 1 minus 8 by 100, as time is 1 year, no need to write, 4 times 2, 4 times 25. So it is 42,000 into, if I take LCM, it will become 23 by 25. And if I am reducing it, 5 table, 5 times 5, 5 8 are 40, then 5 times 4 is 20, so 8400. Again I am going to reduce with 5, so it will give me 1680, and 1680 times 23, I will be getting my value as 38,640 rupees. So the value of this scooter after 1 year will become 38,640, and you can see initially the price was more, it was 42,000, and as it is a depreciation the price reduced to 38,640. So I am done with the last exercise of the chapter comparing quantities, and again I am telling, if you want more videos like this, so please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss any update. And please share this video with your friends or classmates, and I'm sure it is really going to help you in your exam also. So that's all for today's class. Thank you. Again, I'm telling, please like, share and subscribe my channel.